Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is we are in Eid week, Eid month, Eid al-Dhuha. To all Muslim friends and my subscribers, happy Eid celebrations. So guys, this evening I am visiting a river. So I will be showing you shortly. We are at River Nyamwamba. Yes, one of the famous rivers in Kasese, in Rwenzori sub-region. Most people know this river because it always overfloods. It always overfloods. So I'm going to be taking you around. You see how beautiful this environment is, as you can see behind me. All that greenery. The place is really beautiful. It is a very calm evening. I'll be showing you everything. You can see all those hills and the mountain ranges behind me. That is Mountain Rwenzori. So those are one of the ranges. So all what you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. And enjoy the rest of the video. Yes, you're going to be enjoying the sounds from nature. The sounds from nature, the breeze from River Nyamwamba, the sounds from the wild birds, and enjoying the landscape of this environment. All what you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy the rest of the video. Yes, so we are now at the water, and now at the source. You can see actually it has a wide escarpment. I'll be taking you around. So here we are. It has fresh water, as you can see, flowing. It's very clean. Just check here. The water is very clean. You can even see through the water this very evening. If it's not the pollution from the communities that live within it, actually people would not even have need to boil this water. But only that, the pollution from the environment. People keep dumping in, all the dirty stuff and chemical substances. So but this is it. We are at River Nyamwamba today, and this river originates from the Rwenzori mountains. Yes, it originates from the Rwenzori mountains. This is one of the glacial rivers. In the Rwenzori mountains we have lakes, a lot of lakes, a number of lakes. People who are counting say there are about 54, but I'm sure there could be more than that. So most rivers you see flow, most of them originate from those lakes, the glacial lakes, and most of them take up the names of those lakes. But which is not the case of River Nyamwamba. So here we go. I'm going to be I don't know if I could take a bath, but I'll be freshening up in the waters. Yeah, so this evening it was a very short visit to River Nyamwamba, to the river that originates from the famous Rwenzori Mountains. Yes, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping a long video about guess what, the biggest national park in Uganda. Yes, it's going to be dropping on Friday, but for now you have to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you for following us. I am really grateful for everyone who watches and follows my content. Yes, so guys, see you in my next video.